Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both devices. This saves time. Connect the phone to the TV with the proper USB cable and enable USB tethering in your phone settings. Once done, make sure the TV is on the correct USB input or has USB host mode enabled in settings. Otherwise, the TV will not detect network traffic. If your TV needs an adapter, attach it now so you can move to the next step without interruptions. Now configure both ends. Toggle USB tethering on your phone and accept any permission dialogues. This exposes the phone as a network interface. Then, on the LG TV, go to Network Settings and choose Wired or USB Network Detection so it will look for the new interface. If the TV shows no internet, wait a few seconds. Negotiating IP via DHCP can take time. Make sure airplane mode is off and mobile data remains active while the tether is running. Finish by verifying the TV shows an IP address or a connected status. Then test by opening a streaming app or network settings page. If no IP appears, unplug and replug the cable or turn USB tethering off and on. Sometimes DHCP needs a reset. If problems persist, switch cables, ports, or use another phone that supports USB tethering. This isolates hardware issues. Remember, restarting either device often fixes lingering network negotiation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.